Make a great choice today with the 2011 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, touch sensitive controls, power windows, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.